Welcome to Nexa IFA Awards 2025, Jaipur, co-presented by Shobha Realty. 25 साल की शानदार सफर के बाद आईफा आया अपने घर। Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome your host for the evening, visionary filmmaker and trendsetter, the one and only Padma Shri Karan Johar.
Thamagani Jaipur, Namaste Bharat. A spectacular evening, a historic milestone, and an unforgettable celebration. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the grand 25th year of Nexa IFA Awards 2025, Jaipur, co-presented by Shobha Realty. 25 years ago, when the legend Amitabh Bachchan flagged off the first ever IFA, he said, and I quote, "On 3rd May 1913, when Dada Saheb Phalke, the father of Indian cinema, switched on the projector's arc light, I wonder whether he knew that he had switched on the sun on the Indian film industry." That very sun, ladies and gentlemen, became the inspiration for the IFA trophy. For me, IFA की victory एक personal victory है. My father, Sri Yash Johar, was a mentor to IFA's co-founders, Andre Timmins, Virab Sarkari and Sabas Joseph. इसलिए आज जब मैं यहाँ खड़ा हूँ, तो ये सिर्फ एक stage नहीं, ये मेरा घर है, ladies and gentlemen. This is my home. जैसे हमारे Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi जी ने मेक इन इंडिया के साथ देश को विकसित बनाने का सपना देखा है, वैसे ही 25 सालों पहले आईफा ने इंडियन सिनेमा को ग्लोबल प्लेटफॉर्म पर एक नई ऊंचाई तक पहुंचाया और आगे भी पहुंचाता रहेगा. आईफा is made in India, for India, by India and loved by the world. I feel privileged to share with you that on this momentous occasion, our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, has sent a message to us. Now I'm going to read his letter for all of you. We're very honored. And I quote, "I'm pleased to learn about the 25th edition of International Indian Film Academy IFA Awards. This 2.5-decade journey reflects the commitment of all those who have contributed towards making IFA a truly global phenomenon. Producers, directors, artists, musicians, technicians, and other industry professionals, and most importantly, audiences worldwide. Cinema is one of India's most powerful storytelling mediums, offering the world a glimpse into our rich heritage, diverse culture, and evolving societal landscape. Through its grandeur, depth, and artistic brilliance, Indian cinema has captivated global audiences, becoming a vehicle of India's rich storytelling traditions and serving as a bridge between cultures. Over the years, IFA has not only celebrated the best of Indian cinema, but has also played a crucial role in spreading its vibrancy to various iconic cities of the world. This has helped introduce the magic of Indian cinema to newer audiences while reinforcing India's standing as a powerhouse of artistic excellence. We have consistently worked to support and promote the film industry and will continue to do so. The recognition of cinema as a vital cultural export of our nation has led to policies that encourage and support the industry. The last few years have witnessed remarkable growth in Indian cinema. our film industry across various languages has expanded its reach, with Indian films receiving unprecedented recognition at international festivals and achieving record-breaking commercial success worldwide. With advancements in digital technology, Indian content has reached audiences across continents, further strengthening the appeal of our cinema and stories. Platforms like IFA Awards ensure that such cinematic brilliance is celebrated and encouraged. IFA has always played a role in nurturing young and aspiring talent in the industry by providing a platform where new artists, filmmakers, and technicians can showcase their craft alongside seasonal global professionals. IFA has encouraged the next generation of artists to learn from the best as well as connect with them. May this 25th edition of IFA Awards be a huge success. May it be the inspiration for the next 25 years of growth and achievement. Ladies and gentlemen, एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए for the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji. On behalf of IFA management, main Rajasthan Tourism Ministry और Rajasthan government का भी तहे दिल से शुक्रिया करता हूं, जिन्होंने IFA के 25 सालों के इस ऐतिहासिक हिस्टोरिक मोमेंट को यहाँ सेलिब्रेट करने का शानदार मौका
at all. I said, why did you cast me in the film? And this is true. She said, I cast you only for your aristocratic nose.
Wow. And what a nose, ladies and gentlemen. It's the nose of the king.
And the next award that we are going to do, before I'm embarrassed more about my nose, is for the debut actor. And we would like to call on stage the one and only, the magnificent Rani Mukherjee.
Oh, we're back.
Hi, Abu Dhabi. Gorgeous people, lovely audience. Thank you for all the warmth that you give our industry. And the award for the debut actor goes to none other than Alize Agnihotri.
Thank you so much, IFA. This is such a dream come true. I've come to this show since I was a little kid, and to be up here on this stage, to be accepting an award for my own film is amazing. To be part of a film like Farey for my first film has just been such an incredible and rewarding journey as an actor, and I'm extremely, extremely grateful. Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Alize.
Alize Agnihotri. वैसे रानी डेब्यू के अवार्ड्स दे रही हैं, ये बात बोलना तो बनता है कि मेरा डेब्यू एक्चुअली रानी के साथ हुआ था. आपको याद है हमारे मेमोरीज रानी के साथ जब हमने कुछ कुछ होता है बनाई थी.
मेरा रानी के साथ पहला सीन ही ये था कि वो मुझे गले लगाती है और फिर मेरे ऊपर मर जाती है.
How beautifully you died in that film, Rani.
Next award for the debut director.
Yes.
The debut director goes to Karan Bulani.
So thank you for coming.
Thank you IFA, thank you Rani, thank you Shah Rukh sir, Karan sir. I'd like to thank Riya Kapoor, Ekta Kapoor, all of them who trust me to make this film. It was a really sensitive film, a difficult film that challenged me a lot, and I was honored that they gave me the trust. Love you. Thank you.
God bless you, Karan. Thank you very
Congratulations, Karan.
much. And keep making lovely films.
Thank you, Rani. Thank you very much for doing the honors.